Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video, I'll be covering question 20 from D exercises and James Stewart calculus. So we're asked to draw this in its standard position. And if you remember from the unit circle, this is in a standard angle, which you have on there, which means you have to continue counting from the angles that you know. So you're going to have pi over 6, then pi over 4, then 2 pi over 6, which is pi over 3. Then next, you're going to have 3 pi over 6, which is this point here. We have pi over 2, so 3 pi over 6, pi over 2. Then you continue counting to 4 pi over 6, which is 2 pi over 3. Then you'd have 3 pi over 4. You have 5 pi over 6. Finally, 6 pi over 6, which is just pi. Then you have 7 pi over 6. Then here you have 5 pi over 4. Then 8 pi over 6, which is the same as 4 pi over 3. Then 9 pi over 6, which is 3 pi over 2. So this is how I count. If you've been noticing, I start from pi over 6, then I skip 1, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, skip 1, 5 pi over 6, then 6 pi over 6. And the blanks which were skipped are basically places where your quarters fall in. So you have pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, at pi over 2, then 3, then 4, 5, and so on. Then here we're going to have 10 pi over 6, which is the same as 5 pi over 3. Then we're going to have 7 pi over 4. And we're going to have 11 pi over 6. And finally 2 pi. So let's continue counting once again. And now we're just adding on to 2 pi. So we're not restarting. We're just adding each of the values which you see here to 2 pi. So if you add pi over 6 to 2 pi, then that would be the next angle that you get here in this position. And that should be 13 pi over 6. And now you're going to add pi over 4 to 2 pi, and that is 9 pi over 4. Then you're going to add pi over 3 to 2 pi, and that should give you 7 pi over 3. So if you look at this, we now have what we're looking for. And you're just going to go around in circles until you find the angle which you're looking for. So in our case, we went around once, and we found our angle finally at this position, which corresponds to pi over 3. So you're going to indicate that you went around once, then after a revolution, then you finally found it there. So that is where 7 pi over 3 should be.